How to lock SIM card on Android device. Hey guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to easily lock your SIM card on your Android device. Locking your SIM card adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access to your mobile network service. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up your settings app and here you need to scroll down until you see an option of security. Tap on it. Then you need to click on more settings. Once you click on more settings, you will see an option of setup SIM lock. Click on it. Once you are on setup SIM lock page, you will see an option of lock SIM card. Just toggle the switch over here. Once you toggle the switch, then create a pin for the SIM card and tap OK. This is exactly how you can lock your SIM card on Android device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.